Jay, I just wanted to shoot you this quick video to show you that I added one of your social media accounts to Direct Link. We still need to add your LinkedIn. In order to do that, we need to create a company page, a LinkedIn company page for Let's Eat Fitness. I can help you out with that. Simple, kind of just like setting up your Facebook Let's Eat Fitness company page. But if you go here, social media, you can see that it's added right here, the Let's Eat Fitness company Facebook page. In order to post, you just go up here, start by selecting your account, click the drop down, Let's Eat Fitness, and this is really cool, especially when you get multiple social media accounts, and we upgrade the package as your business grows. We'll be able to add your Twitter, your LinkedIn, and eventually Instagram. So we can go Get Fit with Jay in 2019, double exclamation point. We'll make it pop. Now I want to upload an image. Choose image. We're not sending this, so just do this one. Photo, upload and assign. So we can save this now as a draft. We can come back here and start from scratch. So we'll go again, Get Fit with Jay, and then we'll go So this is what's really neat about this system too. Now you can schedule when you want these posts to be posted on your social media account. So we could do this in the future. We could do next week, the 23rd. Once that's scheduled, you can see it's scheduled right here on your calendar. And you can click that and see what it looks like. Now, we'll delete this because we're not going to post this, but here's some other things that you can see and reasons why you'll want to log into the site. So you can see all your notifications in one place. Click on notifications, and then you can see every notification right here. Let me know what questions you have. And again, as soon as we get the LinkedIn company page set up for you guys, we could add LinkedIn to this as well. And we can post it on Facebook and LinkedIn. It's going to save you a lot of time, effort, and energy because we can do it all from this platform without having to log into multiple social media accounts.